Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be talking about multithreading in Java. In Java, multithreading can be implemented using thread class and runnable interface. So in this video, we will be looking into runnable interface explicitly, in which we will be implementing a program in which we will have two threads, and these two threads will be running parallelly and perform some task. So let's get started. So first of all, let's create a class. Let's name it as runner and click on finish. So in order for this class to have multi-threading support, we need to implement runnable interface. So let's do that. Implements runnable. So if you will see, it will show some error. So since we are implementing the interface, we need to provide the implementation of the methods which are defined in the runnable interface, which is run method. So let's do that. So whatever task you want the thread to perform, you need to specify in this run method. So let's say we want to print hello, and let's do it in an infinite loop. And let's also print the name of the thread, which will show that two threads are running in parallel. So let's do that as well, so that we will be able to know which thread is printing hello at which instance. Thread dot current thread dot get name. So using this name, we will be able to identify which thread is printing hello at what time. So for this, I have placed this code. And now let's create an app class. Name it as app. Click on finish. Now inside this, we will need a main method. So after that, we need to create instance of this runner class. Let's create two instances separately. So runner1 is equal to new runner. Let's do that for runner2 as well. So we have two instances of the runner class that we have just created. Now let's create a thread object. So thread p1 is equal to new thread. And inside this, we need to pass runner instance. And same we need to do for thread 2. So after the threads have been defined, now we need to start these two threads. So for that, we need to call start method from the thread class. So T1 dot start and T2 dot start. So what this will do internally is when we call the start method, it will call internally the run method of the runner class that we have passed as a parameter in this. So it will come here and start printing this. So both threads will spawn at the same time and do their task, that is print hello. So let's run this program. Run as Java application. So here we can see that hello is getting printed in an infinite loop, and we can see the thread names, thread 0, thread 1, thread 0, thread 1. So both threads are running parallelly and doing the task that we gave in the run method. So in this way, using Runnable Interface, we can implement multi-threading in Java. There is one more way you could have done that this without creating this runner class. So let's look into that. So instead of creating runner classes, we can just comment it for now. We can explicitly create new runnable inside this. So new runnable, and inside this we need to define the run method. And now inside here, we can give the same thing that we want the thread to perform. Same, we can do this in the thread 2 as well. So let's copy this. And let's rename this as thread T2. Now the same thing is going to happen when we will call T1.start. It will invoke the run method, which is defined inside this runnable, and it will start doing this. Similarly, T2 will be calling run method, which is inside T2. So let's run this program. And we can see the same output. Hello is getting printed, and we can see thread 0 and thread 1, which shows that two threads are running simultaneously and performing some task. So that's all from my side in this video. I will be talking about how we can implement multi-threading in Java using thread class in our next video. Till then, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and see you in our next video.